Hello everybody, welcome in a new video. Today I'm gonna show you how I make my Egyptian sweet, Basboussa. We start first thing with syrup. We take 200 gram sugar, vanilla, 1 pack vanilla, and 400 milliliter water. Some rose water, it's around spoon, and now we let it to be boiled. Now water start to be boiling. We don't let it so much, and we use 2-3 drops maximum from lemon. Remove it, and it's done now. We let it cool down until we finish our basboussa. Now we start first thing with our tray. I will use tahine sesame to cover my tray. If you don't have it, you can use normal ghee or fat. So now my tray is ready. We make as well the edges here. Very good, and we let it by side. So now we start our dough. Sugar, 300 gram sugar. $100 gram ghee. Now we mix everything together. So before you start this process, you have to wash your hand very good. We don't need to use gloves, so we need to feel the dough, so it should be like sand. Just keep mixing until everything is mixed together very well and start to be like sandy. Be sure there is nothing hard. Of course, this ghee is with room temperature, so it's flexible. Now you see it's very good. It's really like the sand what you see in the beach. So just mix everything very well. Now we add our Teig. $500 gram. And we make the same procedure. Just mix everything together so that everything is well mixed. So now they are mixed all together. It looks good. It's not sticky and it's not hard as well. It's really like sand. So now we go to to the last step. We added 225 milliliter milk. And now we mix everything together. Now everything is well mixed, and now we start to add our teig in our tray. So next step, so we start to shake this tray until everything be the same. It's around 1 centimeter thick, so it's not very thick. Just here, take it off or leave it and put down. So few times, and now they are all one level. Now my oven is already on, so I preheated around 15 minutes or something like this, and this time I can start to put some whatever you like to add it from Erdnuss. So my tray now is ready, and we put it now in the oven. My back oven is already preheated, 200 degrees, and we leave it for 30 to 40 minutes until the surface starts to be brown but not burned, so we have to be careful. So now is 35 minutes. I will switch off, and we take out of. Looks great. Now we added our Zuckersirup. If you like, you can add some coconuts out as well. We let it to cool down, and then we put it in the fridge to be cold and served cold. So now our sweet is ready, and we cut it and we can serve it cold. As you see, it's around 1 centimeter thick, no more, and you can serve it cold.